डेफिनेटली द नेशन वांट्स मोर, बिकॉज अर्नब सर जैसी शख्सियत के लिए कहा गया है कि खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर लिखने से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. And now it's over to you, our moderator of the session, Mr. Manak Gupta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zoya. Thank you. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं पहले अर्नब गोस्वामी के लिए. जोरदार, मजा आना चाहिए ये बात. वेलकम अर्नब. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming again. आप हर साल आते हैं और हर साल हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट, हम सब लोग वी लुक फॉरवर्ड. ये यंग लोगों के साथ आपका क्या कनेक्शन है जो आपको देखते ही ये सीटियां तालियां बजनी शुरू हो जाती हैं? ये कोई खास कनेक्शन है?
मानक, थैंक यू. तीसरी बार आ रहा हूं आज आइसोम्स में. पिछले साल भी आने वाला था मगर कुछ पर्सनल ऐसी परिस्थिति हो गई कि मैं आ नहीं पाया. सो आई एम वेरी सॉरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट आई कुड नॉट कम लास्ट ईयर. कैन यू ऑल हियर मी? What does ISOMS want to know? You have to tell me what ISOMS is. You asked me, Manak, Hindi English में mix करके बोलूं तो चलेगा ना? वैसे समझ, as long as you understand me, it's okay. I think young people in this country don't want rubbish anymore. Young people in this country are fed up with the way things have happened in this country. Young people in this country don't believe in the chalta hai attitude. Do you believe in the chalta hai attitude? Young people in this country don't want to have to give a bribe for everything. Young people in this country want merit more than anything else. They want an equal opportunity. They say and they look up at their older generation and say that the way that things have happened for you will not be the way we will want our country to be. The young people of this country will not allow themselves to be divided by caste and by religion. I am the generation that came out of college after 1993, after economic reforms in this country. And you know what was happening when I was in college? Should I tell you that? When I was in college and I entered college, I was 16, 17 years old. In my first year of college, I entered Hindu College, Delhi University. You know the Hindu College, North Campus? And in my first day of college, I was told, Manak, that don't go to college. There used to be a youth special bus. I was about to take the youth special to college and I was told, don't go to college today. I said, why should I not go to college? They said, because you will face the brunt for your name. I said, what is wrong with my name? मेरी नाम में क्या खराबी है? तो उन्होंने बोला कि मंडल कमीशन हो चुका है. राजीव गोस्वामी करके एक युवक थे 1990 में जिन्होंने सेल्फ इमोलेशन किया था मंडल कमीशन के टाइम पर. और मुझे बोला गया कि तुम हिंदू कॉलेज मत जाओ क्योंकि आज तुम स्टूडेंट नहीं हो, आज तुम फ्रेशर नहीं हो, आज तुम हिंदू कॉलेज के छात्र नहीं हो, आज तुम सिर्फ गोस्वामी हो और तुम्हें सिर्फ अपने कास्ट से जाना जाएगा. 1990 में जो 1990 में हुआ था, आज 7 years later, I want to ask this audience, will you be divided on the basis of your caste? In 1992, by the time we were in first year, second year of college, I used to see movies at Chanakya Cinema. Manak, you have gone to Chanakya Cinema?
Yeah, of course. Who hasn't gone there?
In Chanakya Cinema, we used to see the second show. And we used to come back on motorcycles. And we were driving on motorcycles and we used to wear bandanas. They're out of fashion now, right? Bandanas. I was stopped near Chandni Chowk. And we were told by policemen, what are you doing in the middle of the night? We said, we've seen a movie in Chanakya Cinema and we are coming back. And the policeman said कि आपको इस समय रात को मोटरसाइकिल में इस रास्ते से जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमने पूछा क्यों? तो उन्होंने बोला कि आपको पता नहीं आज बाबरी मस्जिद गिराई गई है. तो पहले साल में मंडल कमीशन, दूसरे साल में बाबरी मस्जिद. सवाल मानक ने पूछा, why do young people like you? Because I know that today's young people will not allow a Mandal Commission or a Babri Masjid to divide them on the basis of their caste and their religion. I want this generation to be in India, work in India, and change India. I don't want this generation to be frustrated by the way India had become. So all the stories that you spoke about, the Commonwealth Games scam, 2G scam, Devas ISRO scam, Kargil for profit scam, Nirbhaya, all the questions that I have asked are on behalf of these people. These people, Manak, want change, and these people want change now. I speak for these people. I'm much older than all of you, but I feel I speak for you. I speak for your generation. And as long as I am in this profession, I will always speak for this generation, Manak, not for my generation.
अर्नब, आपको 5-6 महीने हो गए कैमरों से दूर गए हुए, करीब 6 महीने अब होने वाले हैं, लेकिन कैमरे देखते ही आपको अचानक कुछ हो जाता है ना. वी वर टॉकिंग टू अर्नब इनसाइड ऑफ द कैमराज बिहाइंड द स्टेज. इतने सॉफ्ट स्पोकन है, लगेगा नहीं शायद आपको कि सॉफ्ट स्पोकन है. कैमरा आते ही सामने अर्नब.
देखो मानक, जब मैं कैमरा जब नहीं होता है तब मैं सुनता हूं, जब कैमरा चलता है तो मैं बोलता हूं. तो मैं अंदर आप लोगों को सुन रहा था, मगर दिन भर अगर सुनता रहो तो मुझे बीमारी हो जाएगी.
पर मिस तो कर रहे होंगे आप. कैमरेज मिस तो कर रहे होंगे, कैमराज, स्टूडियो,
कैमरा मिस नहीं कर रहा मैं मानक. कैमरा मैं नहीं मिस कर रहा, मैं 9 बजे मिस कर रहा हूं. मैं जो न्यूज़ार है और जो असली न्यूज़ार है, मैं उस असली न्यूज़ार को मिस कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि वो 2 घंटे में मैं अपने आप को कंप्लीटली आई बिकम फ्री, आई एंजॉय माई सेल्फ एंड आई स्पीक माई माइंड. एंड लास्ट 4 months so many things have happened where I felt that I really felt like I wanted to go back to the studio once again. Suresh Kalmadi became, you know Suresh Kalmadi? He's one of my best friends, you know that. Suresh Kalmadi almost became life president of the Indian Olympic Associations. That's when I missed being on TV. When anti-nationals are being celebrated as heroes in college campuses, when people who speak against India and talk about Bharat ki barbadi are made heroes in college campuses, that's when I missed being on TV.